At 300 Kelvin and 1 atmosphere pressure, 10 milliliter of hydrocarbon required 55 milliliter of oxygen for complete combustion and 40 milliliter of carbon dioxide is formed. The formula of hydrocarbon is. Now let this be the formula of hydrocarbon. तो इसके combustion की equation हो जाएगी hydrocarbon plus oxygen forming carbon dioxide and water, and this is the balanced equation. Now 1 mole of hydrocarbon reacts with X plus Y by 4 moles of oxygen to form X moles of carbon dioxide and Y by 2 moles of H2O. Then 10 divided by molar volume. 10 is the volume of hydrocarbon taken, and on dividing it by molar volume we get number of moles of hydrocarbon. So 10 divided by molar volume is giving the moles of hydrocarbon. So this many moles of hydrocarbon will react with 10 divided by 22,400 into X plus Y by 4 moles of oxygen to form 10 divided by 22,400 into X moles of carbon dioxide. अब वॉल्यूम ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फॉर्म्ड गिवन है एंड इट इज 40 मिलीलीटर. अब वॉल्यूम ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को डिवाइड कर देंगे मोलर वॉल्यूम से तो मोल्स ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मिल जाएगा. देन इक्वेटिंग द मोल्स ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, so 10x divided by 22,400 is equal to 40 divided by 22,400. तो x की वैल्यू आ गई 4. नाउ मोल्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन को भी इक्वेट कर देंगे. 10 divided by 22,400 into x plus y by 4 is equal to 55 divided by 22,400 moles of oxygen. 55 is the volume of oxygen given. 22,400 is the molar volume of oxygen. Solving 22,400 gets cancelled. X की value है 4. So this becomes 40 plus 10y by 4 is equal to 55. 10y will be equal to 60. So y will be equal to 6. So molecular formula हो जाएगा इस हाइड्रोकार्बन का C4H6. Therefore correct option is option 2.